Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make rice quick and easy updated. Start by rinsing rice under cold water until clear, then measure rice and water precisely. Use a tight lid and bring to a gentle simmer, then lower heat and cook undisturbed. Avoid lifting the lid, set a timer, and let rice rest covered for about 10 minutes before fluffing to finish with light, separate grains. For stovetop rice, heat water to a rolling boil before adding rice so the temperature is consistent. Stir once, cover tightly, and reduce to low heat to maintain a gentle simmer. Set a precise timer and resist the urge to peak, which releases steam and ruins texture. When time is up, remove from heat and let rice rest covered to absorb residual steam and finish cooking evenly, then fluff gently. To speed things up, start with boiling water or soak rice for about 10 minutes to shorten cook time and improve texture. A pressure cooker or instant pot can deliver perfectly cooked rice in a fraction of the time with a simple one-button setting. Rinse first, use measured water, and quick release or natural release based on grain type for best results. Finish by resting and fluffing for ideal grains.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.